Here are the trains I saw in Glendale on June 1st, 2019. The first train was Amtrak's Coast Rally number 14 with two P42DCs at the point. The first unit was 179, which was built in June of 2001 in GE's Erie plant. The second unit was P42DC number 4, which was built in August 1996, also in GE's Erie plant. So let's sit back and enjoy as this train flies through the station at a great amount of speed. And this train was running about 20 minutes late. About 60 and 65 miles an hour. The second train I saw was Metrolink train 262 to Los Angeles Union Station. This train had the same set as 263, which we'll get to later. I didn't record 262 because I was out having lunch. The third train I saw was Union Pacific's ZLCLT-18 intermodal train to Lathrop, California, which was led by SD70 ACE number 8529, which was built in August 2006. The second unit was SD70M 4495, which was built in October 2001. The third and final unit was ES44AC 204 credit unit number 2564, which was built in April 2015. So let's sit back and enjoy as this train passes through the station at a good amount of speed. The fourth train I saw was Metrolink train 263, which was led by MP36PH-3C number 900, which was built in December 2008 by Motive Power Incorporated in their plant in Boise, Idaho. The cab car was Hyundai Rotem 641. The build date is currently unknown at this time. So let's sit back and enjoy as this train makes a brief station stop at the station. See what MP36 is leading. Is leading. 2008. The fifth train I saw was Amtrak 1767 to Goleta, which was led by Siemens SC44 Charger number 2122, which was built in March of 2019 in their plant in Sacramento, California. When it was about to depart, it gave me a nice little horn jump scare, which startled the heck out of me. The cab car was 6905 with an unknown build date, so let's sit back and enjoy as this train makes a brief station stop and give me a horn jump scare. $21.22. March 2019. That startled me. My second favorite. Yeah. There goes to Goleta. The sixth and final train was Amtrak 774 to San Diego. It was led by cab car 6901 with an unknown build date. The locomotive in the rear was General Electric P42DC number 153, which was built in March of 2001 in GE's Erie plant. So let's sit back and enjoy as this train makes a brief station stop at this station. And this train was running about 27 minutes late. A P42 or a P40 DC is shoving the train, which is nice. So 6901.